Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika is here, and in today's video I'm going to let you all watch me try to recreate this Halloween look. And I'm pretty sure it's probably not gonna look like that because that looks amazing. And I've already did one half of my face. I have to do the lipstick. I'm gonna do black lipstick at the end. I'm just gonna put it on last, but I'm gonna concentrate on trying to do that fake eye thing. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. If it do, I'll post this, you'll see it. If I don't post this, then you won't see it. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to follow along with her video. So if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. So I'm just recording myself doing this in case it turns out good. And I just want to let you know I made some fake blood with raw honey and my liquid lipsticks. I had to improvise. I didn't know what else to use, so we're gonna see how this works and how this goes. Wish me luck. Let's go. I don't have liquid latex, so I'm using tape to stick it to my face. Alright you guys, so how did I do for my first time? Does that look pretty gross? This is my first time trying SFX makeup. I think it turned out pretty well. What y'all think? I can't even see out of this eye at all. So please thumbs up this video just because I can't see out of this eye. And it was hard trying to do this with one eye. So y'all please like this video. Let me put this lipstick on, and yeah, I'm actually gonna use, what am I gonna use for my black? I'm actually just gonna use, because I just don't feel like getting my cream, I'm actually just gonna use my lip liner. Oh, I'm doing this with one eye. It's hard. I need to purchase me a black lipstick. I do not own a black lipstick, so I always have to improvise. Oh, this is hard to do with one eye. Oh, wow. I should have did my lips before I worked on my eye. I didn't even think about it. It's gonna be hard to do this with one eye. This is really hard, by the way. I tipped my hat off to special effect makeup artists because, bruh, this shit was hard. I might not even do this one next time. Next time it's gonna be something cute, like a skeleton or something. Alright. Guys, so this is the final look. I did my best, and like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I am up very late filming this. It is 1:41 a.m. and I just wanted to try this out for you guys for Halloween. See you guys in my next video. Bye.